If you had been thinking that screen recording videos were just about recording your screen and nothing else, then let me enlighten you. Screen recording videos can save you hours of time from typing long emails, attending those never-ending phone calls, or even video meetings. Hi, my name is Josh. I'm from the team of vMaker, and today in this video, I'm going to teach you how exactly you can make screen recording videos on your Mac or Windows computer effortlessly and for free. I will be splitting this tutorial video in two parts for Mac users and Windows users. Now before I get started, let me make a quick announcement so that we are all on the same page. There are many screen recording tools available for Mac and Windows, but as I said before, I will be teaching you how to make screen recording videos in the simplest and most cost-effective way. So for that, I will be using our very own tool, vMaker, in this tutorial video. You might be wondering what's vMaker. vMaker is a free and advanced screen recording tool that can record your screen, your face, and your voice at the same time. It's not just another tool that only records the screen. It can help you communicate with others by adding your face and voice to it. There is also no restriction on video recording time limit or storage. So if you are totally new to screen recording, this is the best tool for you. You can learn, get creative, record anything and everything, and as much as you like without paying a penny for it. Alright, now that you know what tool I will be using for this video, let's get started real quick. First, let me show you how vMaker works with the Mac OS. Windows users, feel free to skip this part. I've added a timestamp in the description of this video. Click on it and you will be taken to the part where I start talking about the Windows version. Mac users, if you are familiar with your system, you must be having this question: why shouldn't I just go ahead and start using QuickTime Player for making my screen recording videos? Yes, you can do that, but QuickTime is not really a complete screen recording tool. You cannot record your voice and it has a bunch of other drawbacks. I have made a separate video on this topic. I will be adding the video link in the description. Make sure you take a look at it because it will be an eye-opener for you. Trust me. Now getting back to the topic, for Mac users, the first thing that you have to do is head over to the vMaker website, www.vmaker.com. Once you're there, create an account. Using your email address or Gmail or even your Facebook credentials is fine. After you sign up, you can download the DMG file of the vMaker app from the vMaker dashboard. After the file gets downloaded, click on it to initiate the installation and follow the steps that I'm doing right here in this video. You're all set now. Go to your Finder, then your application folder, and click on the vMaker icon. Now, here's where the magic begins. The first thing that you'll notice about vMaker is that it's a very clean and squeaky interface. The options are at the right place, so you don't have to spend time looking around. Everything is right in front of you. vMaker offers you many options of choosing your recording mode. It can just be your screen or webcam, or you can record both. So, if you want to record a YouTube video or a gameplay and add your own voice comments to it, then the first option will be the best choice for you. But if you want your face to be visible along with your screen recording, then go for the screen and webcam recording. Personally, I like this mode because I can create video messages and share them with anyone I like. I don't have to send them a meeting link or schedule a call. I just record and send. Super easy. Moving forward, when you start recording your screen, you can choose the whole screen or only a specific window. If you are a user like me who likes to keep multiple browser windows open, then this feature is a blessing for you. With Record a Window feature, you can select a specific window you want to record. Before you start recording, select the window that you want to record and vMaker will do the rest of the job. Coming to the next option, in custom size recording, you can drag and select only a section of a page or a window that you want to record. So if you want to record any specific information or you're afraid about privacy concerns, this is the option to go for. You might be having this question: where do the video go after recording? Well, it gets saved in your dashboard, which you can download and share with others. As the videos are saved in the cloud, you don't have to worry about storage space in your computer or what happens if my computer crashes scenario. Your videos can be accessed from any device, any place, anytime. You also don't have to worry about the security while sharing your videos because they are all SSL encrypted. Alright, that was a quick walkthrough of how you can start recording your screen. Now let's take a look at some of the cool features that will come very handy if you start making screen recording videos. Let's go with my favorite first, the frames feature. The idea behind frames is to add a filter and enhance the webcam view. So if you're bored with the default webcam view, then you can choose different shapes, add a Christmas or a cowboy hat and add your name too. This is really cool if you have a long video to record. A little bit of quirkiness goes a long way in building a lasting impression. Before I head over to the Windows version, let me whiz through the other exciting features that you get with the free plan of vMaker. You also get a basic editing feature which will help you chip off the rough edges. The paid version of vMaker comes with more advanced features like screen annotations, mouse emphasis, adding your company logo to the video page, creating a team folder, and a truckload of other things. I will add the pricing page link in the description, so go check it out and get all the details. So that was all about making screen recording videos on Mac with vMaker app. Now let's hop on to the next part on how you can make screen recording videos on Windows OS. Hey, hello Windows users, I have some great news to share with you. vMaker can make it very convenient for recording screen videos on your Windows computer. There's no download required and you can record unlimited videos for free right from your Chrome browser. Here's how you can go about it. Go to Chrome Web Store and search for vMaker. Click on the vMaker plugin and add it to your Chrome browser. Make sure you pin it after the extension gets added so that you can quickly reach out to it when you need it. The first thing that you will notice once you open vMaker is a different recording option. So let me quickly tell you how all of them work. The first option records your screen along with your voice, but the viewers will not see your face. With webcam, it's just your face. This is useful when you want to leave a quick video message for someone or add it to your emails. The screen and webcam option is the God mode because you can record your screen, face, and voice all at the same time. With vMaker Chrome extension, you also have the choice to choose full screen recording or only a tab. If you're updating a project management board on one tab and have a baseball match score open in the next tab, trust me, this is the best version to go ahead with to avoid an uncomfortable situation. After recording, the video gets saved on cloud, which you can download and share with others. Besides, you also get a basic editing options to chisel the video and make it look professional. That was a complete overview of how to make screen recording videos for Mac and Windows OS. We used vMaker to make this tutorial video. I highly recommend that you go ahead and check out the tool. The links will be in the description. If you have questions or want to learn more about vMaker, feel free to comment in this video, or you can also send us an email at hola@vmaker.com. If you want to check out more videos about vMaker to learn what's going on with the latest updates, what we are discussing in our latest webinars, then head over to the vMaker YouTube channel. I'm sure there are a lot of videos there which you will find interesting. Also, you can join our Slack and Facebook community to take part in discussions and talk about workplace productivity. The links are in the description. And that's it from me. I hope you have a great time recording your first screen recording video. Good luck and bye.